Hey, Graham, how's it going? Long time no see, my man. How are you doing?
Good. How's Hawaii?
Ah, amazing, man. Beautiful sun.
Yeah, what are you up to today?
Just coming from the studio, grabbing some lunch.
What kind of studio do you got?
It's a video studio. Video, audio.
I'm sick. I've actually got a couple of videos I want to shoot.
Yeah? I have a free afternoon right now if you want to check it out.
I'd love to. Let's go. Just around the corner.
Yeah, let's go.
So compared to new plumbing materials, how does Poly-B compare? And are there any appropriate situations where you still might choose Poly-B?
No. Polybutene just is not comparable to new PEX piping. It was a great system when it was put in, like at least in theory, it was a great system. It's a flexible water line, easy to install, easy to service, easy to work on. But compared to PEX, there's just night and day difference. So there's been no situation where I would use Poly-B ever. Yeah, just straight honest answer.
Yeah, no, that's a clear answer. Thank you.